In 2025, we are witnessing a profound transformation across India's technology landscape, driven by a powerful new force, generative AI. Think of it as a smart assistant that doesn't just follow instructions, but can create entirely new things. It can write stories, compose music, and even generate computer code, all from simple text prompts. This technology is not just another software update, it is a fundamental shift in how we interact with machines. It represents a new layer of intelligence that can understand language, reason through problems, and produce novel solutions, making it an invaluable partner in our journey towards a digitally empowered India. The initial wave of generative AI introduced tools that amazed us with their capabilities, but they were largely passive, waiting for human commands. Now the conversation has evolved dramatically. We are moving beyond these simple assistants to something far more dynamic and independent. Indian IT companies are at the forefront of this change, transitioning from being users of basic AI tools to becoming creators of sophisticated, intelligent systems. This evolution is changing the very nature of IT services, shifting the focus from maintenance and support to innovation and strategic creation, heralding a new chapter for the industry. This journey is about more than just adopting new software. It is about reimagining what is possible. For decades, India's IT sector excelled at managing complex systems for the world. Today, it is learning to build intelligent systems that manage themselves. This shift is powered by the understanding that Gen AI can augment human intellect, automating routine tasks and freeing up engineers and developers to tackle more creative and strategic challenges. The potential to solve some of India's biggest problems, from healthcare access to agricultural productivity, is immense, and Gen AI is the key to unlocking it. The impact is already visible across various sectors. In banking, AI is helping to create personalized customer experiences and detect fraud with unprecedented accuracy. In software development, it is accelerating coding and debugging, allowing for faster and more reliable product launches. The Indian IT services market, which was valued at $14.5 billion in 2023, is now being supercharged by these new AI capabilities. This is not just incremental progress, it is a leap forward, positioning India not just as a back office for the world, but as a front office for the AI era, pioneering solutions for a global audience. The most significant change in Indian IT this year is the move towards what experts call agentic AI. This is a major step up from the generative AI tools we first saw. Instead of waiting for a person to give it a command for each step, an AI agent is an autonomous system. It can understand a complex goal, break it down into smaller tasks, make decisions, and execute those tasks on its own with minimal human supervision. Imagine telling an AI agent to plan a complete marketing campaign, and it proceeds to analyze the market, write the ad copy, design the visuals, and schedule the posts all by itself. This evolution is restructuring entire business processes. Previously, AI might have helped a single person do their job faster, like writing an email. Now, agentic AI can automate a whole chain of tasks that might have involved multiple departments. For instance, in the financial services industry, an AI agent can independently generate quarterly compliance reports by gathering data from different systems, analyzing it for anomalies, and drafting the final document for human review. This level of automation is enabling Indian IT firms to offer powerful new services that go far beyond traditional outsourcing and support. We see concrete examples of this shift across industries. In software development, advanced tools are automating complex code refactoring and debugging, tasks that once required hours of a senior developer's time. In the legal field, AI agents are drafting contracts and ensuring they comply with regulations, drastically reducing manual effort. This transition is inspired by global breakthroughs, but Indian companies are rapidly developing their own custom solutions. For example, Tech Mahindra's Project Indus 2.0 is creating a large language model specifically for Hindi and other Indian languages, paving the way for sovereign AI capabilities. The rise of agentic AI means Indian IT is no longer just implementing technology built elsewhere. It is becoming a hub for AI innovation and consulting. Global clients are now turning to Indian firms to help them design and deploy custom AI agents that can solve their unique business challenges. This involves developing proofs of concept and building full-stack AI solutions using powerful platforms. The focus has shifted from managing infrastructure to designing intelligent, autonomous systems that act as digital teammates, driving efficiency and innovation on a scale we have never seen before. This AI revolution would be impossible without the most critical component, our people. Recognizing this, India's leading IT companies have launched one of the largest workforce transformation initiatives in history. The goal is to equip hundreds of thousands of employees with the advanced skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra are in a race to upskill their teams, moving them from traditional IT roles to new, high-value positions focused on AI development, deployment, and strategy. This is a monumental effort to prepare our talent for the jobs of tomorrow. The numbers behind this upskilling drive are truly impressive. In a landmark collaboration, top firms are working to train nearly 500,000 developers and consultants in advanced AI technologies. Wipro has already trained over 225,000 employees in the fundamentals of AI, while TCS has certified over 50,000 associates in specialized AI roles. This is not just about watching a few online tutorials. It involves intensive training on designing and deploying AI agents using sophisticated tools and platforms. The investment in human capital is massive because our industry leaders understand that our talent is our greatest asset in the global AI race. This transformation is creating a wave of new job opportunities. While there are concerns about AI automating certain tasks, it is also giving rise to entirely new roles like AI consultants, prompt engineers, AI model trainers, and AI ethicists. The classic role of a software engineer is evolving into that of an AI solutions architect, who designs how human teams and AI agents collaborate effectively. The focus is shifting from writing every line of code to orchestrating complex AI systems that solve business problems, a far more strategic and creative endeavor for our workforce. This shift is also reshaping India's agricultural sector, which represents 18% of our nation's GDP. As highlighted in a recent World Economic Forum report, Gen AI is being used to provide farmers with data-driven advice on crop management and resource use. Inspired by global innovations, we are seeing the development of AI-powered systems for crop monitoring and precision farming. This application of high-tech skills to our most foundational industry shows the incredible potential of a re-skilled workforce to drive progress, not just in corporate boardrooms, but also in our rural heartlands, ensuring inclusive growth for all. As we stand at this exciting crossroads in 2025, the path forward for Indian IT is clear, but it requires strategic focus and continued investment. To truly capitalize on the power of agentic AI, our companies must do more than just build new tools. They must create a robust ecosystem to support them. A primary challenge is establishing strong governance frameworks for these autonomous AI agents. We need clear rules and ethical guidelines to ensure that these systems operate safely, transparently, and responsibly, building trust with both clients and the public. This governance will be the bedrock of sustainable AI adoption. Furthermore, our technological infrastructure must keep pace with our ambitions. Building and deploying sophisticated AI models requires immense computing power and highly interoperable systems. This means continued investment in data centers, cloud infrastructure, and full-stack AI platforms that allow for seamless development and deployment. Indian firms are wisely leveraging comprehensive AI stacks to build everything from custom models to production-ready microservices. Ensuring this infrastructure is both powerful and accessible will be crucial for maintaining our competitive edge and fostering innovation across the country. The most important imperative, however, remains our commitment to people. The large-scale reskilling initiatives currently underway must be sustained and deepened. The future of work will not be a contest of humans versus machines, but a collaboration between them. We must continue to foster a culture of lifelong learning, where employees are constantly updating their skills to work alongside intelligent systems. This human-machine collaboration is where true value will be created, combining the efficiency and scale of AI with the creativity, critical thinking, and empathy of the human mind. In conclusion, the generative AI revolution is India's opportunity to define the next era of technology services. By moving from basic tools to autonomous agentic AI, massively upskilling our workforce and building the necessary governance and infrastructure, we are cementing our position as a global leader in AI innovation. The journey has just begun, and it will require persistence, vision, and collaboration. But if we continue on this path, the Indian IT industry will not only drive economic growth, but also help solve some of our nation's most pressing challenges, creating a smarter, more prosperous future for all.